that say right there?
They don't say nothing.
Gearheads. Yeah, this definitely ain't no stock. Yeah. This definitely race game. You know, both of us was super heat soaked. They was taking forever to do the 1, 2.
Perfect.
What's swinging, gang? What's swinging, Autoless gang? And today we going to whoop on that Trackhawk that they talked so much trash about at Monster Performance yesterday. If you're not subscribed and you didn't see the videos yesterday, I'm gonna put the video down in the video link down in the description to show my X6M on the dyno over that Monster Performance, and the video to me getting the 1200 horsepower forged engine built. I'm gonna put that video down in there. But if you're not subscribed, like the video now and subscribe to the channel so you can see all the stuff we got coming up, because we got a bunch of powerful stuff coming up, gang. You know, so we finna get ready to get on the highway, head over here to Monster Performance, because the Trackhawk has been calling me out, and his buddies over there talking about, oh, instant power with the supercharger, and your turbos take forever to spool up, and all of this and this, that, this. Let's see. We finna find out right now. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you can keep getting these videos, and let's ride. Gang, we just pulling up at Monster Performance. I'm finna let my car cool off a little bit, because you know what time it is. It's definitely race time. Definitely race time, gang. We back here at Monster Performance. And I'm looking for the Trackhawk. Anybody know where the Trackhawk at? Tell them I'm here for him. Anybody know where the Trackhawk at? Tell them I'm here for him. What's going on?
He can't party.
What's going on?
I'm good. He's not mad.
Oh, okay. Ooh, they got this engine out quick, gang. I was here 2 days ago, and they were just starting to snatch the engine out. The engine out already. They don't play here at Monster. They don't play at all. Engine already out. And the new one right here, twin turbo goodness. Turbo on this side, turbo on that side. But yeah, gang, I'm finna go find Lee. You know, they just not closing up. So, you know, we're gonna hang out for a minute, let the cars cool down, and then we're gonna get straight to it.
A few moments later.
It done got a little cooler too, gang, so it's definitely gonna be a good race. It's a little cool out. And got a little 550 right here. It's a newer G Series 550. He said he don't got nothing done to it right now though. But these new G Series M550s a lot faster than the old F chassis 550s. A lot faster. I think that's an N63 TU3 in this car. But that's who we need to be worried about right here. This Trackhawk. That's who we need to be worried about. And you see I'm trying to let this engine cool down as much as possible. You know, because it was a little heat soak when I got here, gang, so trying to let it cool down. She warm, not hot. She bad, nah. She pretty warm. Yeah, that's considered cold. Yeah, so I'm ready. So we finna go ahead and get out here and line these babies up. Pop that hood. Hey,
It ain't got nothing, bro.
This don't come from the factory with this billet.
Dude, that's a thermostat.
It don't matter. It's not billet from the factory. It don't matter.
Hey,
it don't come with this from the factory.
Hey, what you be saying on this channel? Hey, gang, he finna get whooped with a damn billet. The thermostat housing.
Hey, y'all hear Lee talking all that shit, gang?
That ain't doing nothing, man. That don't make no power. That my man just wants to...
Man, with a Dodge, you ain't gotta have the power shown. You can have it in the motor, just like mine. My car look like a regular car.
It's still
good stock, you know.
What that say right there?
They don't say nothing.
Gearhead. Yeah, this definitely ain't no stock. This definitely ain't no stock. That mean that's a ported blower. Gearheads, that's what they do. Gearheads not even finna put they seal on the blower unless it was ported.
Who's Gearhead?
Hey, why you talking all that crap? It's a stock Trackhawk. You know who Gearhead is?
Definitely not stock, but we can race. This far from stock. It's far from stock, gang. And look, we got a programmer right here. And a commander box to run E85. Look at that. We got
For my subs.
Yeah, that's why I say Commander Pro on it.
Hey, I tell you what, man. You look on his channel, he make excuse for everything you do, man.
Yeah.
When he get gapped, nah.
It was supposed to be a stock Trackhawk, gang, just the 700 horsepower to be evenly matched with my Boot Mod Stage 2 700 horsepower tune. Yeah, it definitely ain't stock, but we finna race. We don't cry. We race for fun, so let's get it, gang.
Already come on, watch, bro, trying to flex the fam going, bitch. And I was. What do you think of this? Brother set up his camera and all, bro. I'm bringing shit for that. What's wrong with him? Hey, go all the way back. That shit's sexy. That's what he makes it. Tony verified it. Tony verified it. He's like, bro. Me and you do back on the phone. You've been all right, but you did it. Tony's like, yo, big race, eh? Go shit up all the time. He don't say nothing. Hey! How we gonna go? Honk the horn! Honk the horn! Fire going. Hey, they don't want to go back further? Nah, bro. I let it off by the time they pass Tony. They just gonna be like 6 months. I don't know.
My launch control wasn't working, so I brake boosted, but he had us waiting too long, so the computer cut it.
Yeah. Man, I got money on Haitian. Who wanna put 100 on Haitian right now? Yeah, I don't like how it sounded the first time. It sound good when he lets off. Yeah, when he lets off. He sound good when he let off, but.
He told us after he point at both cars, then we should go. So that's what we did.
What is this? I wouldn't fire, bro. Get out of here, dog. Buddy just left. Buddy left when he pointed at him. They don't know how to drag race. Hey, Autoless, bro. I hope you've seen this when you watch this video, bro. Watch 1320, bro. Watch 1320, bro. He pointed at you.
He pointed at him, then he goes, bruh. I hope this shit recording. This shit recording? Yeah, it's recording. Yeah, you hear me? Hey, he go. You can't leave on that. You lost. You can't, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna tell him to watch that whole video, bro. You can't leave on that. You gotta be like, he left on this. What are you doing? How are you telling him to go?
Nobody's saying nothing now.
Supercharger done heat soak now, bro. Come on.
Hold on, I know that's not Lee making excuses.
I'll tell you what, man. You look on his channel, he make excuses for everything he do, man. I don't know if that's some bull. Hey, we told you, man, gonna take that to the Gap B, boy. I thought you was right there.
About time they happy.
Hey, bro, gonna be mad at me. I'm sitting out of his camera the whole time.
Don't get anything twisted though, gang. We all good friends, and everything was just a friendly race.
I done told you the Trackhawk's gonna whip that ass, bro. Hey, idle bro. I hope you watch all of this, bro. We told you can't come to Washburn and mess with no monster cars, baby. You can't come to Washburn, bro. No, bro. No, bro, you can't come to Washburn, bro. What happened? What do you mean, what Mercy got? What Mercy got? Oh, what Mercy got? He said he'll go again. He said he got one, he got one. Hey, you gotta cool down. Hot. Hey, gang, hey, tell him he can't leave on this. Hey, bro, watch that. I was in front of there like, you can't leave on this. I was selling out.
Hey, Bert, what you got to say about that, man?
Man, you know, we came to Washburn. We told you it was up, man.
Tell me that you
it was moving, though. It was definitely moving.
All right, I appreciate that. It's two gladiators.
Dyno. It definitely shows the numbers from the dyno. I won't lie.
All right. Two Titans. Two Titans here coming together. Y'all make sure y'all go check out Lee Bird YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the link down in the bottom of the description again in this video as well. That's my dog. Got Dyno Jet services as well, all-wheel drive dyno. Y'all come and check that all-wheel drive dyno out. GTR service, 2JZ services, you know, jack of all trades. I'm gonna put the link to the shop down in the description too. So it was a good race, gang. You know, both of us was super heat soaked. They was taking forever to do the 1, 2, 3 count. And I mean, hey, it is what it is. So until next time, auto, let's stop.